How to link your Outlook account to your Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your Outlook account on your Gmail account. First step you want to do is open your web browser and go to your Gmail. Now once you have opened up your Gmail, what you want to do is click on this gear icon at the top right to open the settings. From here, click on see all settings. This will open up the entire settings of your Gmail. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get the future updates. So what you want to do is here you can see different tabs at the top like General, Labels, Inbox. You want to go to Accounts and Import. Just click on it. And here you can see this option that says Check Mail for other accounts. So if you want to add other account, whether it be Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook account, it can be anything. You can add a mail account from here. This will open up a new tab on new window on your device, like so. As you guys can see here, I have a new window open, and it will look something like this. Now here you will have to enter your email address. If it's a Hotmail account, you can enter that, or if it's a Outlook account, you can enter that as well. So I'm just going to enter my Outlook account. Click on next, and here you have two options. So you can link account with Gmailify, or you can import emails from other account. So Outlook actually does not have this link account available, but you can import email from there. So what you want to do is simply click on import. It looks like I entered the wrong email, so I put an extra L over here. Now I've corrected it, so it actually is available on this, so you can link account with Gmailify. So just choose this option and click on next. Now it will ask you for your Outlook password, so I'm just gonna quickly enter my password. Once you enter your password, you can choose to stay signed in. I'm not gonna do that right now, or you can just click on OK. So you have to access all of these permissions. It will sync your Outlook mail and your Gmail. So once you do this, it will take a while to load. And now, yeah, as you can see, you have been Gmailified. So all of your Outlook emails will be connected to your Gmail. So if you close this, here if you go to inbox, as you can see, I've got a new message right here saying that my account has been linked. So that's how you can easily connect your Outlook account to your Gmail. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.